In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view campaign reports in Mailerlite. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to find the performance details for any campaign you've sent so you can see what worked and where to improve next time. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Mailerlite. When the results appear, look for the official site with the correct domain and branding. This helps you avoid lookalike pages or ads that might lead somewhere else. Click the official link to open the Mailerlite homepage. On the homepage, find and click the Login button. Sign in using your account credentials. If you use additional security like two-factor authentication, complete that as prompted. Once you're in your account dashboard, you're ready to navigate to your campaign data. In the left-hand sidebar, look for the Campaign section and click it. This area is your home base for everything related to the emails you send, including drafts, scheduled messages, and the ones that have already gone out. To focus on completed mailings, switch to the Sent tab. This tab lists campaigns that have been delivered, making it the place to review real results, not just planned or in-progress content. Find the specific campaign you want to review. If you send frequently, take a moment to scan titles and dates to ensure you're opening the right one. Many accounts also display status details at a glance, which can help you confirm you've got the correct campaign. When you've identified it, click the View Report button next to that campaign. The report page is where the insights live. Here, you'll typically see metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, unsubscribes, and bounces, along with details like link activity and delivery information. Use these numbers to understand how engaging your subject line and content were, which links drew the most interest, and whether your audience reached the message successfully. If you're comparing performance across multiple campaigns, pay attention to trends over time, not just single results. Even small differences in open or click rates can help you refine your timing, subject lines, and calls to action in future sends. That's all there is to it. Open your browser and find Mailerlite, log in, head to Campaigns, switch to Sent, and then open the report for the campaign you want to analyze. Pause this video and follow along if you like, and revisit the report whenever you need a clear snapshot of how your emails performed. With this workflow, you'll always know where to find the data that guides better campaigns.